Go to Google and then type Zotero download. Zotero download. At the top of your page, after you type Zotero download, you see two options. There is Zotero, your personal research assistant, and download Zotero connector. You are going to download these two. These are two different things. The first one is the application, the main application for Zotero that you need to install in your computer. And then the second one is a connector. This will connect your browser to Zotero so that whenever you are reading articles on the internet, you can just click the connector and the article will be added automatically to your library on Zotero. I'll show you in the upcoming videos how to use the Zotero connector to add references to your Zotero when you are reading an article on the internet. For now, the focus is on downloading Zotero, the main application, and then you download the connector. So let's start with the application. Click where it says Zotero, your personal research assistant. You click there, and then it will take you to the official website of Zotero. Once you are on the official website of Zotero, there's a red button that says download. This is where you can download the application, and be sure to get the correct tool because there's a one for Mac, for Windows, iOS, and Android. So depending on your device, be sure to get the correct application. You click where it says download and it will download into your computer. I don't want to download right now because I already have Zotero in my computer. So download Zotero, and then after you download the application and then you launch it, you open it, then we go back. Say we go back. When you go back, you can now download the Zotero connector. Click where it says download Zotero connector. You will see this. This is what we are looking for, the Zotero connector, because we want to connect your browser. If you're using Chrome, we want to connect Chrome and Zotero so that they can communicate with each other. When you are reading articles on the internet, you just click the connector and then it will add the article to your library. Ignore this because we are on the site, we are talking about the Zotero connector. So you just click where it says install Chrome connector, and the connector will be installed into your computer. You don't have to do anything much, just install the Chrome connector, and then in the upcoming videos I will explain how you can use the connector to add references to your Zotero library. So watch out for the next video.